Hi there, welcome to Maths with Angela. So we're going to do some work on the first few questions on the higher paper style thing. I'm going to do Venn diagrams, scatter diagrams, and a little bit of compound interest. So this could be on the calculator or non-calculator paper. So you need to know the notation of Venn diagrams. So this is A union B. And then we've got the second part, which is A intersection B, okay? And then they want a complement here. So let's go through these. So A union B is the numbers that are found in both sets, okay? So we have here everything in A and everything in B and everything in the middle, okay? So have a pause and write down which numbers you think are in both sets. Okay, pause, have a go. Okay, here's your answer. So we have this number here, 15, we have 12 and 18, and then we have 10, 14 and 16. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Right, next part of the question is A intersection B. So that's everything that's in A and B. Okay, so pause and have a go at that. Okay then, yes, so your answer is just the ones in the middle, which is 12 and 18. Okay then, good. Right, let's look at the last bit of this question, which is talking about one of the numbers in the diagram is chosen at random. Find the probability that the number is in A complement. Okay, so A complement is the numbers that are not in A. Okay, so have a pause and work out which numbers are not in A. Okay then, so you've got these three here are not in A, because these 15, 12 and 18 are in A and everything else is not in A. Now they want us to write it as a probability, so that means how many numbers are not in A over how many numbers are in total. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers in A out of a total of 10 numbers in total. Okay, well done. Okay, let's move on. We're now going to have a look at a scatter diagram. Okay, so here you have a scatter diagram. They want you to first of all see the relationship between the paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so there's 2 mock papers and here are the results. So you can see that there is a correlation, between these, because they seem to be going up as you're going up on the marks on paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so write down the highest mark on paper 2. So we've got paper 2 here, so you're going up here. You're looking for your highest cross, which is here. Remember, you need to know the scale. Okay, so this is going up in 2s every line. So what is that value there? Okay, so have a go. Yep, you're right. It is 88. Okay, brilliant. Right, our next question. They want us to describe the relationship. So you could describe it in a sentence, or you could just use a shorthand of words. Okay, so there is 3 different words to learn from here. There is positive, negative, and no correlation. So pause and write down what you think it is. Yes, this is positive correlation. And positive correlation basically says as one goes up, the other goes up. Okay, then good. Now, what they want us to look at now is they want us to look at, sorry, I can't get this one. They want us to draw a line of best fit. Now, I usually use a ruler, a clear ruler, and try and go through the centre here. Okay, so there is a margin of error as described, but I'm going to stick in a shape for you. So I'm gonna draw myself a line. Okay, so I'm gonna start it round about, I suppose, because I want to go through the middle. I kind of let's start it there. Okay, and let's go, we're trying to go through the middle here. Let's go sort of about there. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that's kind of going through the middle. You've got like this bunch here and this bunch here. Maybe I would go a little fraction higher. Yeah, I mean, I can take it up there. Maybe that's a little bit better. Possibly. It's arguable. So as long as you're going through the middle, we think of it as a sausage and you're going through the middle here. Okay, so it says one of the students was absent and she got 56 on paper 1. Give her a estimate for paper 2. So paper 1 is 56. Remember the key here, yeah? So we go to 56. You can draw a line. You go up to your blue line that you've drawn there and you go across. So I've got about 52, yeah, as my answer. I'd say that if you're getting something around there, 1 square up and 1 square down from there, it's probably a pretty good answer. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. Have a go at doing some more of these. Okay, then our final question is compound interest. Okay, so compound interest, you can use a formula or you can keep recalculating, and on the higher paper we'll probably expect you to use a formula. Okay then, so the formula is the formula is 1 plus, oh, I don't know why it's doing that. Formula is, there we go, 1 plus the rate to the number of years times by the amount. Okay, and depending on the question, you might have to take away the amount to find how much is invested. Okay, so 1 plus the rate. If it was a depreciation, it'd be 1 minus the rate. N, meaning the number of years, and the amount is how much you put in. Remember, the rate needs to be written as a decimal. Okay, so if you want to pause and have a go, please do. Okay, here we go. So I've got 1 plus the rate, which is 0.07 as a decimal, to the power of 3, times by the amount, which is 400. Okay then, so if you bung all of that into the calculator, you will get £490 and 2 pence, because we're talking about money here. Okay, now that's not my final answer, because it says find the compound interest. So I'm going to take away the 400 because all I want is the interest, which is £90 and 2 pence. Hopefully you got that. Okay, good luck. Bye.